In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the left roller assembly on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new roller assembly, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To get access to the roller wheel, we'll first need to remove the front grille. The front grille is located at the base of the refrigerator, just below the freezer door. To remove the grille, first crack open the freezer door. Then, on either side, gently pull up and towards you to release the locking tab. Then, repeat the same on the other side. Now, tilt the fridge up and slide something underneath to provide enough clearance to remove the roller. Then, using a T25 bit, remove the 4 screws. If needed, gently pull on the roller assembly if a screw spins in place. When shopping for a new roller assembly, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. To install the roller assembly, align it and reinstall the 4 screws. Start the threads by hand to avoid cross threading, then tighten down. Then, set the fridge back down. To install the grill, slide it into place from either side of the open freezer door. There is a locking tab on each end of the grill that will snap onto the fridge. Then, align and snap both sides back into place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.